can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click here on search. Then here add funny prank sounds, just click on it. Come to next here, click here on full stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for funny prank sounds. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.